Wonder shall never end. Hey! The kind things where they happen inside this Nigeria where we dey, it dey make me dey fear. They just bust one witch native doctor. This one they happen inside Delta State. In fact, and this man don't waste so many lives. He don't kill so many people. How they discover this man and say, wait, this man carry a 3-month-old baby. Say he won't go use this pikin to do sacrifice. In fact, he don't use the pikin do sacrifice already. Come bury this pikin alive. Now there people come begin do their research. Come go find this man, they do this kind of thing. Before they go begin ask this man question when they confess, now there Oga disappear. Out of anger, now there the youths carry themselves. Say they go make sure say they find out the true things about this man. My people, as they reach this man place, if na see things where they see, make I not to talk too much, make na follow me watch.
I me brother na mo lo wo. Me ka do lo ma pizza ma go be.
Yes, then this youth reach this man house now there they see so many people pictures. So many things. This one, they don't change some. They don't nail some. They don't even tie some. This one are people destiny will be said they don't tie put for inside one place. On I see why I go see a person go travel all the way from abroad for no reason. I no go know why. Person go always dey mad for no reason. I no go know. I know those na village people. Now I don't go down na destiny and things put for one side. As the you see this one, they vex, say they go burn down this place. Make a shock on. They say they pour kerosene on fire for this place, so the thing no be burn. I beg, no be juju be this one. Why be say that they burn something, the thing no grip on. Now there they decide, okay, if you feel so your juju powerful, we self will get power. Now there they carry themselves, carry cutlass, break down this whole place, burn down the things into ashes. Now there they can't later go catch this man because I know say I seen disappear. They don't forget say African juju, you know, go carry you transport reach America. Now just few meters, now you go disappear reach. Now there this man go disappear, and there they catch him. Beat and give him the better beating of him. Honestly, has blood full in face. Yes. Now what he deserve? Because how person go day weak, and at the very certain so many people go down patronize him. Because for so many pictures and chairs to be nailed there, it means say people they go there well. People know one well they use them. It just be say nobody don't come and say I can't talk say okay, Babala would there was street be say they keep person. And this one they go they cook him. Say gods no exist, gods no exist. I hope say this one for me now God just won't punish this man. Now God just wants show and say he get power about this one. Because now know how long this man go down they do this one. I sure say that this picking head now catch this man. Now why they talk say make people they always be prayerful. You don't know which your prayer will be say now I'm gonna break some kind of your oak. And things will be say the devil don't plan put for you. Will be say your neighbors go don't plan. But now your prayer and they do the kind one. And this one I surprised for this matter because say he get one picture of what I see there. I hear now from Facebook, person posting picture of Facebook of freely. He don't even put anything for him mind. Now there the person go carry. I beg for Facebook self, which kind of pepper body be this one? Person they posting things in free. Free you carry him for mind, saying you don't like and you go kill him. I beg as you kill the person now, what do you gain? Because I hear say half of the people who say they see their picture, most of them don't die. But luckily, the ones who say that they sick and now they come regain their health. All of them don't do okay. This word now, it don't they fear me. I still they talk and now prayer and I go fix off all this whole thing. Because now it bless all these juju people. Their juju self they one side, their gods they one side. Nobody no talk say make them no worship na God, but I beg make them no do this and they kill people. I feel say government supposed to pull law now say any shrine where they inside that may they destroy and may they break them. Because these people don't they cause so many harms and damages to people. So I go advise and say, may they just break and down, and may they commode them from business, may they stop that business. If you know some wickedness, you go use them to close them down. I bet someone I talk, what's on I feel about them. Anyways, my people, now here I go end them on this matter. Make now stay tuned for our next story. My online wives and husband, I hope so now don't ready for this one. This one, I they call all of una because now all of us go do this story together. One of our Nigerian wives don't call us, the online people, say, make we come chook mouth inside her matter. Say her mother-in-law no one gree allow her rest to. Claiming say she wear one short Ankara with crop top. They dance some kind dance, so I don't even understand. Say na there. A mother-in-law begin insult and bombard her with insults. Say she be witch, she be this one. Make no be like say na me they even add pepper to this matter. Make na follow me watch.
Good afternoon, everyone. First of all, is there anything wrong if a married woman is putting on this dress? Is there anything wrong? Number two is that, should I let my husband know about it? And number three is that, should I reply the message? This is the message my mother-in-law sent to me. This is the message she sent to me today. If people saw the video I made yesterday with my husband where we are dancing. So let me read the message to you people. So I need your opinion. Should I tell my husband about it? Should I reply? And is there anything wrong if a married woman is putting on this dress? Is my breast showing? Is my body showing? When I dey tell una say, more na dey dress to confuse your enemy, una think say I dey lie. Dress, look good to confuse them. Look good to let them know that you refuse to look like your problem. Make una hear. Shame unto you. As I read the way she take write am. Shame on you. See the kind of clothes you are wearing and exposing yourself in the public, and your husband is happy about it because you have used sham to hold him hostage. This is it, that I've used sham to hold him. I love is that some women, they don't even know their son enough. This my husband, that he's even bold enough to dance outside, was a man that he does not smile, he do not laugh. People were telling me that I went to marry an old man. He's just 30. But because of his look, because of the circumstances, the way he grew up, he does not laugh, he does not smile. My husband cannot even snap picture. I can't snap him. I know the way I have suffered and built him to be the man he is today. I know the way I have adjusted my man to be the way he is. People are seeing him, that he's able to put smile on people's face. He does not laugh. He don't know how to communicate to people. He don't know how to express himself. He's just like a sadist. I was the one that changed him to be the way he is. I was the one that make him to look the way he's looking, that make him that he's able to laugh. He's able to make videos with me. I know what I used to pass through, what I used to face in order to make him make one video. I know the promises I used to do. Because they say every woman has a way to make his husband do what she wants. Because we decide to be happy, because they are not waiting to hear calls in the village, we are fighting today, tomorrow. Because as small as we are, we're able to manage our family, we're able to manage ourselves. We are not calling anybody for any family counseling. Because we decide to be happy, to make ourselves happy, it has caused a big problem. It has not turned to them using sham to hold my husband. Please, I need your opinion.
And let me show you how to do the dance. Jump, there you go, babe. Hey, 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 come on, did on the left leg, and then you go, ding, solo low, hit on with a low.
So, hope so all of them don't hear waiting our auntie talk. Talk say the man they depressed, the man no they happy. Say now she bring joy inside this man life. All of a sudden now the man mama come they complain. Anyways, me I don't reason this matter. This cloth where you wear, nothing do am, it dey okay to me. As far as say you dey happy yourself. But for the sake of peace and good, my auntie, I don't see why you come here come dey bombard us with English. They explain wetin no concern us for social media. Say your mother-in-law they send you threatening. I beg why be say you no go meet your husband or family members. Call them say okay, see wetin dey happen for my marriage. Make na help me settle down. You know reason and go that side. Now we will be say we sabi add pepper and fire to matter. Now you can't decide say you won't carry and come. Make a shock you. The way they go even scatter this matter for you go surprise say soon you go even say you won't divorce your husband. Because now know as these people be, they don't go give you better judgment. Now rubbish judgment now they go give you. But me, I dey here to give you good advice. Me, I go tell you say this thing where your mama they say your mother-in-law just carry and show your husband. For track record keeping, making the sense, okay, see what your mama did. It dey very certain say the woman no like you. So you self as you don't know, you mind your own leg, you do your leg. If you know say na Maria ma casket, your mama won't make it the work. You wear am, take do your video. If your mama watch and finish, you block am. Who just come there and be say you go come they complain? Auntie me, I don't even see the need of all this one. Because as far as you they complain, as you enter this man life, now then the man don't they happy. I don't see why now you can't they complain again say you want the please person. Because truly, I make we know like some mothers, they know their son truly. They go feel say that they want make the pikin they strict. Now so that they lose the pikin. And trust na what it don't happen in this contest. So you will be saying you don't say now you be the light bringer of this man. Just carry your man, they enjoy your marriage in peace. No need for all this drama because as you they call out this your mother-in-law. This one will be say she don't add say you use juju say the woman fit even go turn the thing all around. Now she now go come use juju pull the man come out in eye from you, but it be like say you know they watch Nigerian film. It be like say you know they know what they happen for real. You better take time go sit down for one place. They face your life. If na tell or work you do am in peace. Make you forget all this kind of thing. But hope say this one what I don't give you, I hope say it go work for you. And my people say when they watch any advice when I won't give our auntie, they can write them inside the comment section. They can stay tuned for our next story. On I see what they always talk, say live according to your standard, but some people no go here. I hear say they just post one influencer by name Abike Papaya X. Recently, this girl post one kind fine house. Claim say she don't buy the house or say God don't do one for her. Say she they cry, they jubilate over this house. Now there people give her congratulations. They tell her, oh, I wish say na me be you, na me buy this house. Only for us now to come they realize say everything a lie. In fact, within minutes when this girl post and now there the real owner and sister come outside the talk say, make this girl delete that post where she post. Say because say what no be she get the house. So she no see why she go dey carry person property when they post na im own. Na the auntie come outside dey confess say na just play she dey play oh. Say na prank na she dey prank. For those of you who never watch this video, make na follow me watch.
Good morning, everybody. This video is for everybody watching this video. Everybody on the internet, basically, because all of you are hypocrites. My point is, I posted a house yesterday and I said I bought the house. I didn't even say I bought the house. I said, thank you, Allah, or something. I can't remember what I said. Because if I buy a house today, I go cry. People go beg me. I no go hear. I go first cry to God, say thank you. But now my point is, posted the house yesterday because everybody were all doing now. We say I no fit, now we say I no fit. You get the joke was funny, so I did mine also. Funny enough, I posted like 3 of the now we say I no fit before I posted the house. So I really believed people were going to like understand the cruise. But along the line, my followers were like saying congrats and the like. I said okay. Oh. Next thing I posted on my page. Initially it was on my story. You get? I felt okay. People were already in the mood. I said, okay, let me prank them. Just like the way I pranked them for the Big Brother stuff. And the next thing this morning, when I posted that it was a prank, people don't laugh, say, Papa, I don't sabi you. That kind of thing. Next thing, my friend sent me a post from a blog. The blog, they said I was called blah, blah, blah. Funny enough, that girl is my friend. Like, I know this girl before. I used to have, not be Anna girl. I know this girl very well. So now, my point is, just the same way people come online to post things about popular people, you don't even have any proof. You people will just believe, say, okay, oh, she go to Dubai, go fuck man. She go one place, go chop shit. Just the same way you people believe. Somebody will just wake up in the morning and post something. Everybody will believe. Everybody will spread the news. Blogs will post. Do you get? That's the same way. I'm not saying people that believed me. I'm not saying you guys are wrong. I love you guys very, very well. Thank you for believing in me because definitely, how would I might? If God talks, I go buy him, I go buy him. Do you get? I don't want to talk too much because this video is going to go viral, definitely. But now my point is, stop saying fake life. People are living fake life. I do not live any fake life. Excuse me. If I get something, I go do video. I go buy house. I don't go do video for the roof, for the kitchen, for the system. My followers know me very, very well. I go come do TikTok video, post say I don't buy house. That kind of house. No. So my point is, you guys really need to learn, like you guys really need to understand. The same way you people bring rumors online. Go to my screenshot, go blog, see my post. Do you get? And then you just come along and see yourself trending. When I do this one. Because what do you want to do? Everybody has posted. Who wants to hear you out? Nobody. Now you have to live with that lie. Maybe say they don't stick to your name.
Hey, now auntie, you be fake person, now fake like now you dey live. I even dey very certain say that motor way you see that inside now photo post now use and do. Make you shut up that your mouth for there. You post something for your story, people they congratulate you. You know tell them say no be you get the house oh. Say now person oh you just post you can't they accept they talk say okay oh thank you for the house. Why be say you no talk if no be say you yourself na lie they lie. Now you can't they claim say na joke you dey joke. Or now see most of all these Instagram big girls, most of them now fake people now in the big. If you even go inside their house, a common bed, they don't get some of them are mats they sleep on top. Just because say what they want they post for the ground. Make we see they get money, they get things. Now why they will come outside on the line? This girl now, as she post this thing, come realize say they don't catch out. Say the truth don't come. I want to make her come outside and I can't they do video. They talk saying her cruise, she does the cruise. Say she post something and she want. It be like say you never watch, you never get sense. The one where happened to Blessing CEO, it be like say you don't learn. Well, she said go post one house, so be say that disgrace her, arrest her. It be like say you no one is and learn. I want to make you choose her as your role model. Come outside, can't they do this kind of one? Auntie, show us your Aproko house. Nobody send you. If you like me, they live inside one bedroom. Nobody care. As long as say you they live your life. Not be about you coming to post people fake house, they post cars, they post things so people say not be your own. All they want saying you want the perfect people. When people feel say you don't make them in life. And I beg all this influence have been I beg which work na they do because I know they will understand what's in the influence. Most of them they always think lavish lifestyle. And they get in a money, a person no will understand. Because if to send to the model for this, I mean to the sign house contract for this, I don't see how you will get money so they can't they live all this kind of fake life. So I beg making they live in a life, making us stop to the oppress, I mean impress people. Because we not to care. The way where you be carry yourself come as a liar, make we know say na so you be. All this year breed we be saying the kind of self they do, nobody send on making us stop all this kind of fake life. But anyway, I hope say sooner or later they no go sue you. Because person will get this house now big man. If you want show you paper, he go carry you go put you inside prison. For being a deformation, I will say I'll call her. I know saying go shall try one do something. So I bet I know the bear you go write apology letter and give the person. Ask for forgiveness, make this whole matter that because these people they really carry your matter for head. Anyways, my people now here I go end them on this matter. Make now stay tuned for our next story.